So ወተናል and we're supposed to be a solo day ነገር ግን these are invited, these two people are invited.
ዋራፕ ጆሲያን ባላለው girls ቲክቶክ ላይ የገባችሁ ፎሎ
Okay, we'll ignore that happened. The sun kiss is so pretty. እና አሁን እየሄድን ነው ያለ ፕላናችን ኮዬ ፈቼ መተናል for some unknown reason ብቻ some haters are going to hate of my beauty, but we're going to strive. So I'm recording using my tripod and Bluetooth አላት. I'll show you. I'll just link a video on ከአቢ የቀረስኩት አለ በአቢ ስልክና sorry እሱን አስገባላችኋለሁ። አሁን you get sick of me ባለ ትራይፖድ ሆኛለሁኝ። What do you have to say about this? ምንም ኮሜንት የላትም። just exist ነው የምታደርገው። ቅድም ያልኩትኝ ፎርሄድ ሻይን ያደርጋል አላልኩም? This is what I mean. My forehead will shine. Anyways, I am so happy. Yeah, that's what's up. Still ገና ሰዓቱ አልደረሰም. We have like ወደ 40 ከሆነ we have like 20 minutes ምናምን 20 minutes ይቀረናል ገና ምግብ አዘናል ግን I think we're going to be late but at least I have a tripod. So this is the tripod and this is the Bluetooth thingy and yeah but it's not working. So no sorry Jada cannot record a video. Okay
then I'll try I record the
why is it not working? This car. Bitch. Cute. አላስገባህም sorry. Oh, this is so pretty. Anyways, ገብተናል. ያረፈደ ብዙ ነበር ግን አልረፈደም. But now we're here to see the Devil's Wear Prada. So exciting. በጣም and ብዙ ሰው ነው ሲኒማ ውስጥ the best thing. And yeah.
Not tonight. Hi, I just wanted to tell you that the story broke online. And the business of fashion has already run it.
Went over well. Media critics responded to our candor and to us taking responsibility.
Right. But did anyone read? Oh, yes. Gabriella Hearst. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And Custom Kelly. What about this? No. This is quiet luxury. Luxury that is so quiet you need an ear trumpet. Okay.
So we just finished
It was very nice. Like I've never felt this happy about a movie. Like you have no idea. በቃ እና ማየት የምትፈልጉ ሰዎች or መጀመሪያውን ያያችሁ ሰዎች you should really go and watch it cinema ላይ because it's really really amazing. We're the last ones የወጣን ያለነው actually from the building. Everything is closed and it was worth it. It was worth the wait. Everything was good. So this is the end of our day. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next week. Bye and subscribe አላልኩም ዛሬ subscribe የቱ ጋር እንደሚባል ይጠፋብኛል subscribe bye